We've all heard that saying. They don't make them like they used to. There's a certain threshold for excellence and quality reserved only for those willing to toe that line. Built so well the first time, it has only needed slight modifications over the last 50-some-odd years. GP Tools products are crafted with precision and built to last a lifetime, the way they used to make them. Since 1972, GP Tools has been on a mission to create products that redefine excellence. From handheld tools for intricate projects to heavy-duty tools for industrial applications, GP Tools products are more than just tools. They're a testament to quality, versatility, and reliability, proving themselves time and again as the unsung hero of countless industries, from aircraft, electronics, textiles, and manufacturing to clothing, medical equipment, automotive, and aerospace. GP Tools has been the thing that's held them all together. Championing the American dream, our only interest is pride in our craftsmanship and dedication to our customers. Those who make the world turn, those who work tirelessly, day in and day out, and deserve a product that works just as hard as they do, for just as long. And while the men and women who have built this world continue building, we'll be here, remaining committed to making the most reliable, versatile, and consistent pneumatic tools on the planet. GP Tools, holding industries together since 1972.